brethren in the NFC North. The Lions have jumped up. So now what are they going to do?
So much of what the Lions have been trying to do is just get baseline foundation type players. I would not be surprised. This is a good, solid, safe pick. Maybe something to help their defense. Smart guy, communication-wise. That would be sort of the direction I could see in the
It's spot on here. This is all culture for them this draft. It's culture. So you said safety, you're thinking former Patriots, Massachusetts, like what are those type of school? Patricia's going for the smartest, toughest culture guy. You'll see it with the pick because this is going to be a good one.
So let's check out the war room there in Motown, and I'm going to guarantee it's somebody that the Patriots are interested in as well. I mean, that's usually the way it ends up going, right? They went Hawkinson in the first round, the tight end out of Iowa. They went with a linebacker out of Hawaii there in the second round, and so let's see.
Linebacker out of Hawaii that the Patriots liked, by the way.
Yeah, right. Exactly. That is not a cowardly Lion, but let's check out who the latest guy going to Detroit is. Let's listen in for the announcement.
To announce the Detroit Lions selection, please welcome from the University of Nebraska, 1995 sixth-round pick, Corey Schlesinger.
All right, the Minnesota Vikings have traded the 81st pick to Detroit Lions. With the 81st pick in the 2019 NFL Draft, the Detroit Lions select Will Harris, defensive back, Boston College.
Will Harris, a great combination of play speed, character, and leadership from that safety position. Just doesn't have a lot of ball production when you study him. He can play rolled up. He's got some real snap on contact. When he hits you, you'll feel it. He's got some real explosiveness. One of the games I watched against Purdue, he can get a little bit out of control. He misses a tackle, ends up being a long touchdown there. He plays a real reckless brand of football. You see the big hit there as a blitzer, but he does not slow down. It is all gas, no brakes, Joel.
yeah, when he gets going downhill like that. And what's been interesting is watching how Boston College has expanded to where there's defensive backs every year in the draft and multiples in this one. Will Harris being one of them, and going to Detroit. Glover Quinn occupied a lot of that space for a long time there. They need to start making those moves.
Harris